abojama bakesha shore sente izbaye batarukumanya izyo muringo gw'ekibobo ahubwe amazire obwire bwingi alizerengwa abandi babanze ba signinge akipapare cyo nicyo kimwe ngobundi akatunga obwa mushinja n'amazima abona kusayininga akipapare cyo Semakura Rutamaguzi yargeyo no kusobora ngo cyamuletera ya sayininga akipapare cyo ngbarije no gamba ngo ba MP abatakwenda kusayininga akipapare cyo babahire ekituga ecyo butasayiningaho kandi yargayo no kusaba Honorable Sekikubo Theodore ngo murimo gwatandikire aguhendere nicyo cyamuletera kufutekaho no mukono gwe.
I was not going to sign. Take my word. I was not going to sign. Why? I never trusted the people who are taking this petition. I never trusted you. But after making several consultations and of yesterday, there has been a rumor that whoever has not signed has been given 25 million shillings not to sign. That's why I am here. To confirm that I have not got 25 million, the allegation of 25 millions. I never trusted you. Beyond the one I saw you with last time. He had started with you in the beginning when he demanded that the powers of parliament should be brought back for us to be electing our commissioners.
Honorable Semakura Rutamaguzi yajangwe chinde chibenchi mulemesa kusayininga papulebi abata kwesiga abantu abebembire ekintu eki abarumunga Honorable Theodore Sekikubo ngwakuba bayimbarwana sabya age limit abwena tojikwatako ngwakaheza yabarya morukwe.
So now I have come today. I'm putting my trust in you for the first time now. I never had much trust in you, but now I'm putting it. This one I have trust in him, okay. And he's the one who has whipped me. Okay. This is Samba. Okay. After the allegation is that we are given 25 million not to append our signature.
Append and tell people
that one is our chair. Honorable Salo Pendi is our chair. Wopa. I don't overtrust her, but I trust her under this process. You should walk on the talk.
Honorable Semakura Rutamaguzi yargayo no kusobora ngo kindi kinde kiresire yasayiningaho akipapureki ngo ba MP aba ba commissioner bakegaba no mushara gwa miliyoni 23 buri kwezi umwene kintu eki kikafuhe.
When you discovered that these same people were awarded themselves a monthly 23 million salary, yes. That's when I had to come and sign. Now let the public know. I told you that I was going to be the last in the signing, but I don't think that I'm the last. Let the public get to know that we are never given 25 millions, which they are alleging that we are given 25 millions not to sign, and I'm signing trusting you. This is my last trust in you. If you don't finish on what you have started, fire will burn you. This one I trust him.
Tamaguzi yargaye no kusaba Honorable Sekikubo uyamuhereza umukono gwe uyasayininga papulebi umwenu amurinzire aiza musayininje na papara byo kuyiha abana banupu abari ombohome bakaba abanya Uganda abatine ekikuba banzibwa
ate nkulinzo omulundi omulala sebo kyenkusembyayo okuleetanga signature tuteekeko emikono nga tulwanirira abaana banupu abali mu makomera ukitegedde ekyo sebo mukama wange nze kyekyange sebo kyenkutikidde bw'otoguse process eno omuli okujja kwokyo gw'ebyobufuzi sebo
abwa GNTV agarukotya ndi Kirintoni nabwe mjombo.
Ba kamisha no mwishenjero abamwe abanyishenjero barugireyo bayanga okutemikono y'abakipapureki nko mwishenjero rwonyanka Nathan byanyuma oguno rukujwekera ababukanga eyamatemba nagira ngo taine bahame obukoreka ngo ubuzima ebarukujunana ba kamishana ngo bakabikora katubirebe.
Bwanyuma y'abakomishona b'ishengero rya Uganda abarimu Mathias Mpuga hamwe n'abandi bashatu okurugayo bakegabira akasente ngubumawe nibehereza akasimo ahabw'imirimo yabo ibakolire government y'ihanga rya Uganda barukugira ngo enkora birungi burizo ebizimurwa mbenu karigireyo kabazayo kabazo mbisya bwa hati kariyo nikabateganisa nikabatezo mutwe kandi ba MP bamwe barigireyo no kugira wakasenta akatuba kukikozire tubakurire sente zizo muhiwo mushoro akube biturkwetago mu ihanga bikiri byinji mbenu abeshe mbena abanyishengero baruke bemerwaho na bose kikuo bizeni basayininga urupapara kugira ngo babinge ba commissioner ba parliament aba konka nk'abana barahanga okubahembazana n'abasitani biza bayegitamu abanyishengero abamwe nabo bargayo no kwanga okusayininga kipapureki barukugira ngo bine kubanza kucyondoza na no kumanya akwa bintu bigenzere mbwenu we oryo munyishengero wishaza eryandorwa yaburwizoba wekitinisa honarebo Wilfred Nwagaba yargayo no kugira ngubine kubanza kucyondoza kumanya ba commissioners ahibihire esentezi na no muringo ogubaziriremu ngukonka bareke kucwanisa no kusayiningisha abanyishengero empapurezi.
Well, you know my history with Honorable Sechikubo. We've always been together. My only concern now is the procedure, because I wouldn't want to append my signature on the document when I have not looked at the motion, the grounds, and the supporting evidence. That's one. Two, I also have a strong view that the signatures that will be relied on with the motion are those that will be appended to before the sergeant at arms.
Kandi we uryo mwishengero wa Bukanga y'amashuma ogunweho narebo Nathan Byanyuma yargayo no kushobora muno mwishengero mukuru wo mwishengereri ngukandi arabingiraho abanyishengero ahabwe nshonga zo buribwe nguzi ukonka nshongeji takajetegerize mumwenu na yenda kumushobora.
What the most important thing, rules have changed. During our time, you would have a paper of the censure, grounds, well read to everybody, and you must actually somebody is satisfied because you are a member of parliament. You are satisfied and you put your signature. Because I remember when we were beginning, after submitting to the speaker, a minister came to withdraw to his people who were withdrawing the signatures, and the speaker said, "No, you cannot." So that's why I feel that the grounds should be clearly put there, so that you package something that is airtight. I wouldn't want to have a censure that has loopholes. I would want members to be convinced too. Don't intimidate members of parliament.
When munyishengero wa municipali ya Guru gunweho narebo Mapenduzi Ojara nawe yargayo no kwakanisa enshongeji arukugira ngo ebeho narebo Sekikubo ayo nagambira abanyishengero batahibe takabicengiye no bwambwenu honarebo Sekikubo agenda koro kucyondoza okuruka yongerayo na bwanyuma aize abashobore kirukumara.
Unfortunately, I discovered a few gaps, and the petitioners or the movers, especially the Honorable Sechikubo, said he would have time to take me through based on the concerns I raised, and so I have not signed. And I'll explain to you very briefly why I have not signed. First, as a member of parliament, I know that there are very clear procedures in our rules of procedure that guide parliament on what to do in an event that there is a decision to have commissioners removed. And without going into the details of those procedures, you know them. Number two, I ask the petitioners, I ask Honorable Sechikubo to help me provide details of the motion.
Honorable Godfrey Macho uno munyishengero wa municipali ya Busia we yargayo no kusaba abanyamakuru mubize babayambe bakore okuchondoza kukumara ngo bacyondoze nshongezi ezaba commissioner ngo akubaye bembire nshongezi Honorable Theodore Sechikubo ngo ebyakushobora tebikurugamu.
That's why I'm requesting media, being a fourth estate, help me so that you can ask the chief petitioners to give evidence so that you can give us, because we are not getting it, so that I can be able to sign for the benefit of my people, because evidence is given by the person who is alleging. That's why I'm asking. Even just a photocopy will be enough for me to sign. But we are tired of fighting people's wars, and this wars always come when it is near elections in Uganda, and this has weakened in the political parties.
We omunyishengero wishaza Elias Soroti ya Burengera Rwizoba wekinisa Honorable Jonathan Ebwaru yargayo no kusaba bareke kusibaho ba commissioner amatugembuzi ngwa kuba commission netwarwa abantu mwenda ngwa bwakini bafa haba MP banabonka mbenu bagumizemu bakore okuchondoza barebe enshongezi ehizarabe nizirga nehizukomoka babone kugonzora ensonga nizezo.
We hold any other institution accountable. For us as Parliament, we must be accountable to the public. And I want to say that this move that the honorable colleagues, the Sechikubo team, have done, this is a very good move that we must support. However, I have a bit of a problem. You cannot say that you are going for the 4 commissioners. Maybe what we need to do, let it be very clear that we need to overhaul the whole commission, not necessarily talking about the 4 commissioners, because you cannot say you're going to treat a problem and then you're targeting only the 4.
Abwa GNTV agarukotya ndi Clinton ni nahabwe mjomba.
Webale mnonga Clinton twagumizamo makuru gandi abebembezi aba university yambara irizo barebekaho nabo mishuga Honorable Muwanga Kivumbi oguno mukuru wakachiko akapaka omushenjero ninga kachiko karukora kuchondoza esente as government erukereze byanga bitaro mwana mu kuzokozesubwa kandi bayongera kubuzwa kasiona kahindu kugira ngo bashobore esente z'urukwika obuhumbi 8 zabahibwe okubazkozisi katubirebe.
You are reporting after this meeting. The one in Mbarara, they will instruct him how to report tomorrow.
Akachiko ka parliamenti akarukuzunanizwa byemukore ya government hamwe na nenshohoza akwarukweta public accounts committee pack izo bari nyuma zo barje no futayisa abembezi kuruga mu university yambara university kandi ahibaye mbariya kubabuza akanana katano akati no muhamiro abo kugira ngo university hamwe na management yayo bakiza bakoresa kubi esente ezibabahire akachikwaka akarukebemberwa Honorable Muwanga Kivumbi karigireyo no kufutera omuranga kare kugamba ngo university ine enshohoza yesente etari kucengwa kandi iyo batari kurgayo no kusoboraje barjeyo no kubabuza na mnonga ahasente ezibabahire kujangu bimusye na no kumaliriza ekizimbe ekibabire barya kombeka ngukonka esentezi barjeyo kuchikoresaje hamwe na no kubaye bahereza emirumo bakajigabana nk'abakozi ba university jo kandi okujimusyoku bakabatine na ba contractor.
And what has been happening, colleagues, is that you are retaining this one whose contract expired in 2014, you get another one in 2017, then in 2018 he brings another one. So our children have nothing to do with it? No, in 2014, this man's contract expires. You continue paying him. You bring another one whose contract expires in 2019. Then you bring another one in 2018 whose contract expires in 2020 and you continue to pay. Chair, you are retaining an illegal one, you bring another one, you add another one. That is impunity. It's impunity. You know impunity, the meaning of impunity. In Luganda babitago nantagambo ako.
Oistinisa Muwanga Kivumbi ahantu harigireyo kandi akashaba abantu aba kugira ngo bagende baze kurwa omukoti ngwa kuba esentezi bakazikoresa kubi kandi bazikoresa umulingo gw'ekishobobo.
To look at what?
these areas where we have issues, because I'm sure there must be some.
Now, what are you going to explain on Chubans? What are you going to explain on monies where you had no authority? Are you going to say because the environment processed supplementary that there is a window, you go if you feel you want to write. We've given you our mandate. You're the only thing, if you feel there is anything you do wish to write and improve it.
Benu chokobanza mwebare kweteka mwesente mukija tayaya kandi mukamanya paramenti okwera kutwaza na imwe kumaragariceyo mushomese bagenzi banyu imwareba abo kuba okutambura abaganana bajyango okutambura kuraba okutambura washika ahi washika kugira ibiwareba ibiwayegaye ukitaha utebeza abo wanyu nabo bagira ikibasharura mwene kumaragarukeyo nimwe mugire ikimwayegesa abwasikora
obuto abantu gamba hono rigwa mbijere ebyo ryinshente ko wentebe yakashatu awe gombore jiniemwe yanyashane rukushangwa omu district ya Buhwezu wechitinisa mwebaze na both yargayo no kushobora hamwe no kwebaza honarebo wabo ko ecenga abo kubatwara ayishengero ya Uganda kufuna obukugu
twabatiye mu parliament ikintu cy'uko mungo kitwayiga babanza kwiga parliament ko kushitama no kukitensa kana speaker hako basitani na aba opposition yo kabasitani n'abatari opposition yona twabiri batwabyetegereza weni tutwamara kurgaha biza kongera kumanya ukitseme kwanti sitama no kutseme kwanti tensa no kutseme kwanti twaza
abandi bebembezi okurga omugombora niyemwe yanyachana bargayo no kusima honarebo wabo
bareba parliament yakishemeza kandi twagira umuhimbo muhango munonga kugenda kwegesa abantu bagatamwa abantu bwegese wingi nabo bakija bakarebe kujikebi agoba onarebo witu yatugambira ko kuyarabira hari yo mwana aketenga parliament cyamuhiga gumana akora namani akashoma akagahagashika ku mito cya stero muhimbo muhango munonga na nito kubyetenga tukaza kugendesa n'abandi
kandi omunyishenjero omucyara abwa district John yemwe ya Buhwezu honarebo Olive Koyechenga yargayo no kusima abacyara kazaba hamwe n'abashija abebembezi abegombora y'nyishana okwizahi ishengero rya Uganda kutungaho obukugu hamwe no kwega okuba kubasa kutwaza emirimo yabo omu magombora hamwe na nemiruka enyumokwe ahansi omurubuhweju
n'abanyabuhweju kandi kira munonga abamwe n'abebembezi okubwo mugombora ya Nyakishana kandi bijana bo kureba parliament kureba enkora ko kuturu kukora kandi nabo kibayambe kugenda babana bakore barukoro wabo omu webembezo obwito bwa hansi bwa local government nabo batware lifu bagire bongera ha magezi bakora kumuya babaganira babashomesa babono watambura nabo yabagambira okubu kugenda kandi nimanya ngo nabo batunga manisa so ababembeza barukugaha nabo bagenda nibije kwegesa abagenzi babo rero kibaretere gukora no kongera kwetegereza
honarebo Olive Koyechenga yarge no kushobora abembeza aba ngo sente z'abakubamba koresa enguto hamwe n'emirimo yo magombora gabo nababa basabire mu parliament ishengerere eri Uganda
nabagambira ngo mu parliament budget nimwe kwera budget ntukikoro mu parliament eki porque sente kona burikano shikona akarukushuma kakaza aha LC1 kanga mbenka kabingo ezo sentence batustesiza mu parliament n'abagenzi bitungo ko kureba honarebo Bazili chairman wanje ariyaha wako kasi ebintu byona okutukubantu bitebekanisa mu parliament je ya Uganda kugira ngo abantu bona batungo obuhereza abantu abana nabagambira bebembezi okufayo munonga aha projects za government kaza PDM eziriyo na nezindi nyingi ezitwire nshuma aha ground nazo aba nabebembezi bine kuyamba abagenzi baba bakwebembera kumanya ngo sente zo bazikozesage nizibayamba nizibiho mu bworo kandi kinakundira obutayayoru ababebembezi kuba kwija bareba empinduka yensi bareba Kampala kweri ninga no mahane bakuraba bareba kweri nabo nibagenda nibamanya tune kozesa mani ubundi nano witu nako hakargayo asha kahandi
habwa GNTV agarukosya tweheyo Ronald na nahabwe Clinton agarukosya
mwebale mnonga abanyamakuru bitu ikiriza tumureho tujya kuba ntugaruka n'ikiceka cya kabiri ecyagarukosi Museveni ahabwo kubesiga akabahereza omwanya gwo kubembera polisi kandi nangwa no kubakuza abasi yagumza myahamya unayija kuba nakwatanisa na polisi na nabanda bakora bajirumu okurengwe mirimo bagitwara mnongo omisho mwihangari ya Uganda kandi nangwa no kureta obusinge omubantu katubirebe
Banyuma yo wabi yo mdumizi wa polisi hangari ya Uganda wachitinisa Inspector General of Police IGP Martins Okothi Ochora okurugeyo kandi akahumura emirimo ya polisi ubwe barukujangwe cyakozere nikimara nawagende ahumureho anyunye aharka ashukari ahure yagarkamu amani mwenwe uriyo mdumizi wa polisi omusya hamwe na narukumugwa ombigere barigireyo batera ecyahiro cyabo kandi barukusima mukuru w'ihangari ya Uganda abo kujangwa agireyo no kubakuza no kubahindura abamani mnonga no kusima emirimo yibakozere mwenwe urugwa ombigere ebyo ryo mdumizi wa polisi y'ihangari ya Uganda omusya wikinisa James Ochaya yargayo no kusima aba polisi abo kwatanisa nawe okushika harurengoru.
I know the expectations both within the Uganda Police Force and the wider community is high, and the tasks before us is enormous. We have heard about the welfare issues, we have heard about the image of the institution, we have also learned about the rudimentary methods of work that we still have. But Honorable Minister, I believe together you have always been there for us. We shall achieve. Our coming into these offices is not in vacuum, because we had already built a very strong partnership, coordination, cooperation within the ministry and within the police authority.
Wachitinisa James Ochaya yargayo no kusima Inspector General of Police abo kujangwa akabatendekaje ngukandi urugendo rubiye rutanguhi.
Honorable Chair, I know this has not been an easy journey for many of us. Like they have already said, we joined in 1994, and I'm happy that the person who actually recruited me is here amidst us. That is the Inspector General of Police Emeritus John Kose Odomel.
Wachitinisa James Ochaya yagumiza muno kusima emba mulebuza nabemba mutendeka okugirango akakora emirmeji kandi agikoraje.
I also thank my supervisors who have played very key role in upbringing me. You may not be aware, but my background is fine art, where I got a first-class degree. And when I joined, I thought I would be a court illustrator, but things did not work that way. So I became a commander. But in 2006, I was transferred to the Department of Research and Planning. Honorable Minister, the environment was not as had expected, because it was now office work, and I had to adjust.
Wenwe wachitinisa abasi byakagaba ogunwe origo mdumizi wa polisi hangari ya Uganda omusya yargayo no kusima ababona abamukwatireho okutandika orugendoru akaheza kandi akishika aharurengoru.
The IGP in front of you was not built today. A lot of people have contributed, right from the lowest person, right from the constable, up to the senior levels, and then above myself. I just felt I should first thank all of those people who have contributed towards my moving to this very important level of the Inspector General of Police. Sir, I know what I'm taking over is a very serious responsibility, and I recognize that. But again, I'm very confident, especially looking at my team, up to the lowest, the constable. I'm very sure we are going to deliver.
Basi byakagaba yagumiza muno koraganisa kubarukwiza kwatanisa nka timu bakakora ikintu ekishemire ngwakuba nibeyesiga kandi na mukuru w'ihangari ya Uganda nabamanya mu icyango.
This is a time for me to take over, and I don't intend to make a lengthy speech. A lot of successes have been mentioned by the outgoing DIG. A lot of challenges have been mentioned also. And therefore, I take cognizance of all those facts. But as I said, I'm energized and strengthened by your presence, sir. I know upwards up to HE, I'm strengthened. And down up to the constable, I'm going to ensure that we are a very strong team.
Habwa GNTV yagarukotya Ndikirintoni nahabwe mjomba.
Omnyishenjero mchara ahabwa district yambara Honorable Margaret Rwebyambwa yebare yargo yashobora ebitiso bihireho mu kachiko kamataka akishenjero kandi yashabanya Uganda okureka kuhinga bihingwa ebirukutwaro bwire buringwa omumataka gatargawo katubirebe.
Wanyuma y'enshonga z'amataka kukwata ahansi n'ahiguru abantu bakitana bakecimita ebisyo hamwe n'ebihoro bakatemangurana ubarukufa enshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe amataka hamwe na nabijukuru abatabani amakamwana okwenda kugira ngo bakatwara amataka gabishe nkurubo amataka gabishebo ninga amataka gabayibabo baheza kufa kandi obwo kitari mateka mbene kwa akachiko kishenjero akarukuzunanizwa by'amataka bargireyo okushitama okwenda kugira ngo bakatensha bagonzora enshonga bamanyo kwa abantu babasa kutwaza amataka gabo okubakubasa kugagabanisa amwe no kumanya eberagiro ebirukutegeka amataka gabo obuto abantu gambaho no mucici omnyishenjero mucyara ahabwa district yambara Nwe Honorable Margaret ayabalero byambu yargayo no kutusobora ebihire omukachiko akishenjero aka
twaba twine ebitongore bingi munonga na Ministry ya Lands eriyemwe ahari ebitongore bitwaba twine okureba ko twakubasa kugita emitwe tukareba one obutagira ownership y'amataka burukuretera climate change ningashi ebiruho hamwe na ebikwatirine n'ebya food security ningashi byo kurya omumaka obutagira rights ahamataka nibiretera bitakureba ngu abantu tubarwanisa climate change ruho ningashi okuma kwensi one noreba omuntu yaba atinitaka obwananyi nibwitaka kimwe habe turukozesa kurwanisa okuma kwitaka no kusimba emiti turukubasa kusimba emiti ahitaka eritari ryawe so ebintu nk'ebyo nibyo bitwana turebaho.
Honorable ayebare Margaret Rwebyambu yargayo no kushobora abanyarwanda ari kugira ngo hariho ebihingwa ebyo takabasa kuhinga mu itaka ly'abandi nkaga amataka bari kupangisa kugira ngo bahinge mu za season zitari zimwe na zimwe mwene ebihingwa ebikuba mbitwara obwire bwingi ebirumu nk'orutoke omwani hamwe n'ebindi tashemeye kuba nobihinga omu itaka ritari ryawe eryo ery'empangisano
okureba ngweka yagira ebyokurya bikumara ninga food security kino ko kubasa kuhinga ebyokurya bimwe ebyo birikumara henjara katugambe nk'orutoki tori kubasa kuruhinga hitaka eritari ryawe nubwo kupangisa itaka nohingaho what we call seasonal crops ebihimba ebitakuri na muhogo abantu abenshi takurikiriza kukiteko mu itaka rye nohingaho ebe bintu ebya season emwe bikargaho nangu no kurwanisa obworo omumaka ebihingwa nkomwani oguturu kureberaho nkihanga kugira ngo kubasa kurwanisa obworo omumaka tori kubasa guhinga ahita keritari ryawe itaka wabo rupangise mukamuharwe tari kubasa kwikiriza ngo teke mu mwani ningo teke mu vanira ebirukumara emyaka n'emyaka omwitaka
omukyara omukiiki omunyishengero abwa district eyambara omukyarakazi Margaret ayebalero byambu yaragaye no kushobora arugambira abanyeganda mubonga kakiiko k'ishengero akari kuzunanizibwa eby'amataka baragayo no kutensa hamwe no kugonzola ensonga iziba kubasa kugambira abanyeganda okuba kubasa kwentantara entaro zitaka okuba kubasa kugira obuzunanizibwa ahamataka gabo
tukarwanisa tuta ubwo muze bwo kugira ngo abantu tuba uninga itaka kandi n'abarine kureba ngo tubari bibaho abantu bamanya ngo omuntu itaka ashemerire kuba namanya ngo nerye yabayine bahandiko byaryo for example abacyara baka oninga bata itaka rero kureba there is what we call elastic and inelastic itaka tereri inelastic ninga shitero kubasa kwangu ahi wazarirwe okurya bire n'iryingane kibanje cyo kucyene kingana tukubasa gumana cyo expanding anerieryo when how can we protect it kandi tweyongero kuzara abantu nibiyongero kukanya ibyo gukora nibiyongero kuhangu hano kweba byinji investments nizija investors nibisha kebi
kandi we omunyishengero owishaza erya bwezo yabarenge bwa izoba oikitinisaho narebo Ephraim Ganshanga biraro nawe yargayo okutugambira ahakakiiko akakuzunanizibwa ebyitaka ebibargayo nano kutensaho
namazima izobe itatuyo tugamba shonga sitaka obukuru bwitaka n'oburungi bwitaka kana munonga tugamba ahabakazi nabo kutunga obugabe ahitaka erba kwezi ako abakazi ombinte bitukora byona muri agriculture na food security omakagitu abakazi percent chanana nubo bakwisefuka kandi bafiteke biwe yameza so twino kugamba kintu cya abakazi itakabine buzare kinaryo kandi barinemu mandiki kandi abashababo babikiriza bata nangona nabana babo babujwa ko mana mushaka kufa umwana mukazi yagumana nabana na nabana umukazi mukikurwa mujingiza ashanga tekiniraka neshonga mpanga munonga yisuriyo tugambo
Honorable Ephraim Biraro yargayo no kugamba abanyayuganda abo abaherukurgayo bakaza umataka gabandi obwire bwekiro bakasimbamu ebyapa ngo amataka gawe agabo rero bakamuba amataka bukiza kushesha bakashangamu ebyapa neshongeje nayo bagitensaho ngo kandi akakikwaka nikiza kwatanisa n'ishengero rya Uganda barebuke ngo bafuna okuba kubasa okuyaho ensongejo
nyomuzo gunkureba munonga no gwa government eriko rabera Ministry of Lands kandi etagenderire konka individuals abantu nyabuntu abariyo mu kitongore cye by'amataka kushanga bahereza abantu ebyapa abatakeka baba bitundire abatarebere mu mitendera abatasayiningire abarandi committees z'amagombora area rand committees rand committee ya district abitasayiningire nazo zindebwe rushanga zagurwa nabwo cyo no jangu amataka nico kintu cyukererukayo abantu kukitunga kandi gakaba safe uko jangu tubonde kuparaningira nyesya embera yensi ubyo kurya na no butura bw'abataka kucendeza entaro no kuherekerera kw'abantu
ahabwa GNTV ya Garukosya tweheyo Ronald aha parliament
webare mnonga tweheyo Ronald hagongo twatwino mwabaziyogu webare gumanitwe omugarukosya mukama mulungi akunkumire ndi Eva Sakankwasa.
This is GNTV, releasing life.